Body shaming is not allowed, but let's face it, our appearance is very important. So if you're unhappy with how you look, we're going to show you why thousands of patients are coming here to Berardi Aesthetics and Plastic Surgery. Voted best Scottsdale plastic surgeon, Dr. Joseph Berardi is the founder here. Welcome to Sonoran Living.
Good morning. Good morning.
As a board certified plastic surgeon, tell us about your beautiful practice and how you got started in the medical field.
So, been in the Valley for 16 years, and I've been interested in plastic surgery since I was a sophomore in college. And as a pre-med student, they direct you to find a preceptor in the community, and that preceptor I called was a plastic surgeon. Not necessarily that I had interest, but he was saying, I'm accepting students, so come on in. And the very first experience I ever had was scrubbing into a reconstructive surgery with this plastic surgeon. And I don't think they allow college students to do that nowadays, but the moment of that surgery is when I said, this is what I want to do.
You got hooked, you fell in love.
Yeah, it was amazing.
Now over 2,000 cosmetic and reconstructive surgeries later, tell us a little bit about what sets you apart. Why should someone pick you as their surgeon of choice?
So when patients come to this practice, we want to treat them as an individual. We truly listen to what they desire, what they want. And with our evaluation, we say, this is what's going to be the best for you. This is what's going to achieve the outcome that you want. So it's not a cookie cutter approach. It's treating everybody like an individual.
Yes, and I now want to bring in your beautiful wife and anesthesiologist. This is Dr. Alexandra Fox. Talk about this amazing team approach you two have.
I think that we have good synergy. I think Dr. Berardi's focused on the outcome and these patients' results, and I like to, as their anesthesiologist, be focused on their surgical experience and put their fears at bay and let them focus on their outcome and be excited about that.
Yes, and inside the surgery center that is right here in clinic. We're not going off-site. We are right here in clinic. Talk about the benefits of that and the procedures that you perform here.
So a majority of the procedures that we perform, obviously we do cosmetic surgery of breast, body, and face, but everybody's heard of mommy makeovers. We do a lot of mommy makeovers here, and that usually consists of a breast surgery and abdominal surgery. However, there's other surgeries that we may add because the benefit of doing these procedures together means one recovery time. So we do a lot of facial rejuvenation, including facelifts, neck lifts. So
yes, you do it together, and you're there for the whole entire process,
start to finish.
And one of the things that I found to be most endearing about you when we first met, not everybody's a good candidate for these type of body and facial surgeries. So talk about that customized approach that you offer your patients.
So there may be patients that come in and say, oh, I want a facelift, but they may not be a candidate for a facelift or maybe not ready for a facelift. So we have a lot of non-invasive and minimally invasive procedures that can address skin tightening and wrinkle reduction. So we have sort of a level of treatment for all patients, so they truly have the outcome they desire.
Yes, and folks come, you know this, from all over the world to come to Scottsdale, Arizona to get these kinds of treatments. And one of the things I found to be so wonderful about the reviews I read is Dr. Berardi's caring, compassionate approach.
Yeah, he's meticulous. I think he's a perfectionist, and his patients see that, and they want that. They want someone who's going to take their time during the procedure and make sure it's just right. So I think that's one of his strong suits.
And you want folks to feel like family,
right?
Because you two are family, and you want to bring them into the Berardi family. Why is that important?
I think people are comforted by that, right? We have a great relationship at home. We have a great relationship in the office. And I think people sense that and they have comfort with that.
Yes, from the moment you walk in the door, you're going to be a part of this amazing team. Thank you so much. We appreciate you. And here is a special offer. The first 10 callers receive $1,000 off of a facial or body rejuvenation surgery. Berardi Aesthetics and Plastic Surgery is located at 8900 East Bahia Drive, Suite 110 in Scottsdale. To book a consultation, call 1-800-NEW-LOOK. That's 1-800-639-5665 or visit theplasticsurgeon.com.